Hello everyone, this is Tejashvi Gade working as orchestration designer and developer in Verizon India. First of all, I would like to thank GHCI for giving this opportunity for me to express my ideas and views which can be a value add to the telecom industry. So today I took a topic of 5G core service orchestration on multi-cloud infrastructure. So before going to my topic, I would like to give a disclaimer that the views expressed in this paper are solely personal and do not reflect any opinions of Verizon or its group of companies. And this paper is targeted to the intermediate audience who is having a basic knowledge of network function virtualization and 5G systems. So when we talk about 5G systems, we have both RAN networks and core network. So RAN network is almost migrated to 5G in most of the service providers. So predominantly I am going to talk about a 5G core network in this white paper. So how we can achieve 5G core orchestration or migrating a network into 5G core from 4G is a challenge as of mid 2020. So most of the service providers are trying to migrate their core network to 5G phase by phase, and mostly estimating that they can establish this achievement by end of 2021. So here I am coming with a promising idea proposal over here with help of service orchestration, which can make this migration of network for all the service providers in the telecom industry with a great standard and an easy way to migrate the network. So bundling of all the services together which are in different form factors, like a few network elements may be in physical, few network elements may be in virtual, and few network functions may be container based. So how are we going to bundle this or chain all these network services together which are spread across different geographical locations? It is not that like the data centers are placed in one location, so it may be in different locations, and how we can stitch all these networks together with help of ONAP service orchestrator. So ONAP consists of many modules, but here in my use case I took a few crucial and important components which help for this service orchestration and demonstrated and explained these capabilities. Like how to design, how to deploy, and how to manage all the network functions will be briefed in my paper. So here I want to just conclude it by giving a note that service orchestration really helps for service providers to deploy their network functions on multi-cloud infrastructures. So this paper will, thinking that this paper will help the telecom industry to bring a value add. Thanks everyone again for GHCI to giving me such an honor opportunity to explain the views. Thank you.